Hi, my name is Harry Lightfoot and we are here today on board a Southerly 35RS.
Hello and welcome aboard VELA SPIRIT, the Southerly 35RS. These boats are well known for their capabilities of sailing short-handed, and you also get the fantastic benefit of having the swing keel, meaning access to many shallower anchorages or even beaching. As we step on board this 2007, we come forward. What's famous with all Southerlies is you have the self-tacking jib, so that runs straight back into the cockpit, and then you have your bowsprit where you can fit a Jenica. Up forward you've got your electric windlass, which can also be controlled at the main helm station as well as forward. Having a look further aft, she has your stack packed main, twin spreader setup. You can just have a look at the track running there for the self-tacking jib. You have a pole on the mast, so that's for access for the jib to go goose wing downwind. These boats are very good at going downwind. You can lift the keel halfway. Just having a look over the coach roof. The owners of this boat last year redid the cockpit here and moved the main sheet winch to above the spray hood. So this gives you a much bigger cockpit. This also allows you to have a full cockpit enclosure, which is included in the boat and is brand new as of last year. Here you've got your swing keel, autopilot and your windlass. You have a clever system folding wheel as well. You've got your two primary winches. As mentioned, all lines lead aft, so no need to go up forward at any time. And as we step down below, you have this clever raised saloon seating on the port side. You have your keel box just in front of you. And then you have your chart table again that's raised. You've got your Garmin plotter, VHF. Nice large linear galley, fridge and small freezer, twin sinks and a chopping board above the cooker. So down in a forward V-berth, two hanging lockers. You've got your main head, standard manual marine head with shower that comes out of the sink. As we go aft, engine access is under the main companionway, and you can look around the raised saloon seating. As we make our way aft, she has a nice large double bed with small vanity desk and hanging lockers. Another look at that fantastic raised saloon and the amount of natural light.